Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to make group chat in Instagram. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your application to the latest version. Without wasting time, let's get started. First thing, log into your Instagram account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on a DM icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the icon, you'll be directed to your chat page, and on the chat page in the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see an icon or the pencil icon in the top right corner. You need to click on it. As you click on the option, you'll be able to see the contact list that are on your Instagram account. So among the list, you need to select the people that you want to add it to your group chat. So in order to select, all you need to do is just tap on the circle icon located right in the corner. When it turns blue, it indicates that you've selected this contact. As you select the contact list, right at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option as Create Group, and you need to click on it in case if you're done adding the members. Then you'll be directed to the details page, and right on this page you need to give a name to the group or create a name for the group. And you can also change the group photo right on top or the profile photo of the group. And if you want to add more people, then you have an option as add people right at the bottom, and once again you'll be directed to the page where you'll be able to add people. And if you're done adding people, just tap on done in the top right, and you've made a group chat on your Instagram. Now you'll be able to chat with multiple people at the same time. So that is how you can make group chat on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.